Hey there guys, welcome back to another video, and today I'll be showing you how to get Instagram Edits volume docking. To get this feature, you simply have to open your Edits application on your device, then select any media that is ongoing or just create one by tapping that plus icon. From there, once you have the video over here, go ahead and select that audio timeline. From here, you should be able to find volume docking option over here. Go ahead and click on it. Then you will find another option called detect. Now, if you tap on this auto detect option, the AI will automatically detect all the voiceovers and will intentionally down the volume of this particular audio, which is located on this main timeline. Now, as you can see, all you have to do is simply tap this tick mark once you are done selecting the percentage or the ratio is changed, and once you do so, all you have to do is simply tap on this tick mark and you're good to go. I hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, please do comment down below.